don't go to EXP. Whatever you do, don't join EXP. I'm here to tell you guys today, I joined EXP. What's up, guys? Jessica Honesty here. I am your realtor here out in San Diego, California, and I actually decided to make the move to EXP. Originally, I was with Coldwell Banker. I loved Coldwell Banker, their employees, everything was perfect. But I decided to move to EXP for three substantial and crucial reasons. In this video, I'm going to dive deeper and give you my top three reasons as to why I decided to join EXP Realty. So I decided to join EXP because I actually wanted to work with Joshua Smith. Joshua Smith is one of the best in the industries. My sister actually introduced me to him. And basically, she was like, you need his training. He has some of the top training material. He's helped over 500 agents in the industry. And so I met with Josh, had a one-on-one, basically told him my goals, what I wanted, and decided, hey, yeah, this is it. EXP provides a lot of great training. They have training calls in their cloud-based system. Again, this is a cloud-based brokerage. They have over 50 trainings throughout the week where you're able to log on, go into their lecture room, and actually gather that additional training that is needed. But on top of that, Joshua Smith, he offers some really intense, very detail oriented ways to improve and scale your business. Not only that, when you join EXP under Joshua Smith, you get the opportunity to work with Mike Sherrard. He is a top agent here at EXP as well, but his niche is mostly focused on the media aspect of things, how to get your brand, your name out there, and how to do it in an effective way. I love doing media, all things media, so it was definitely a win-win. Not only that, they offer a Rev Share program. Now, with this Rev Share program, which really sparked my interest, is, let's say you're at brokerage A, B, and C, and you have a friend that's an agent that wants to, I guess, join your brokerage. And this friend actually joins the brokerage, and then guess what? Congratulations, they're part of the team. The difference here at EXP is with the Rev Share program, if an agent decides to join and you decide to be their sponsor, you then have them under you. It's kind of like a brokerage type of scenario because with that 80-20 split, if you have or if you're sponsoring agents under you, you will get a percentage of their production. Let's say Agent Sage went and sold a property at 3 million. 3 million of that percentage you will get from this rev share program. Now, it's not taking from the agent's 80 commission, it's taking actually from the 20. Okay, so the agent is not missing out on any of their commission. They're not paying out extra. EXP, however, on that 20 split, that's where you will, make profit. And lastly, their stock program. Whenever an agent goes out, sells a property, they get a piece of the pie, meaning they will receive a stock award for selling a property. So this is actually an agent owned, okay? It goes straight to the agents and not so much to all the other compartments, as I like to say. It goes straight to the agent. And this allows you to build wealth. So yes, I joined EXP. I'm very excited to join EXP. Can't wait to see what the future holds with this company. I'm super stoked. So yes, when people sit there and say, hey, don't join EXP, it's because they don't fully grasp or get the idea of what EXP is doing for their agents and how you, as an agent, can build wealth for yourself. Jessica Honesty here. Hey, I'm going to link some information down below. If you're interested and want to learn some more about the stock program, the Rev Share program, and even just the production side and get some really good, thorough trainings, reach out to me. I would love to pair you up with my mentor and get some more information for you in case this sparks your interest. All right, take care.